Good evening, everybody. It's September the 24th, 2019. It is 10:45. I have got so many earthquakes that I need to get up before I have to do this in a two-parter, okay? Take a look. See what I mean? Alright, let's get this up. If more happen before midnight, I will definitely get them to you. I promise. I don't care if there's just 4 of them or 5 of them. I will get them up to you. Alright, here we go. EMSC has a 2.1 Washington, Seattle-Tacoma area, 2 miles southwest of Monroe. Alright, now, they have that at 1.2 miles in depth. It was up on the USGS and they totally took it down. Alright, it's no longer there. EMSC left it. There was a 4.9 Southwest Indian Ridge at 6.2 miles in depth. A 2.7 Nevada, 31 miles east-northeast of Warm Springs, and they've got that at 0 miles in depth. A 3.6 Mona Passage, Puerto Rico region at 21.7 miles in depth. A 3.4 Puerto Rico region at 14.2 miles in depth. 3.7 downgraded to a 3.4 Eastern Mediterranean Sea. They have that at 1.2 miles in depth. A 4.1 Oaxaca, Mexico at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.5 Mona Passage, Puerto Rico region. They have it 61 miles northwest of San Antonio. USGS has it at a 3.1. EMSC said it was a 3.5, upgraded it to a 3.8 Puerto Rico region at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 3. All links are in the description box. There was a 3.4 Greece at 1.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.2 Tropica, Chile, and that came in at 72.7 miles in depth. A 3.4 Dominican Republic at 10.5 miles in depth. USGS says there was a 4.6 Mona Passage. They had it 39 miles north of Isabella, and that came in at 6 miles in depth. There was a 4.8 Fiji Islands region, 21 miles southwest of Naudoi, Ndoi. They have that at 367 miles in depth. There was a 3.8 upgraded to a 3.9 Atarax Sea at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.4 Albania, 1 mile southeast of Durres, that's Durres, at 6 miles in depth. Now these last 4 earthquakes are all prelims, okay? They're on the EMSC site only. And I don't know if they're going to upgrade them, downgrade them. We will see. There was a 3.0 Salta, Argentina, 130.4 miles in depth. There was a 3.1 Albania at 19.2 miles in depth. A 3.3 Atarax Sea at 7.4 miles in depth. A 3.4 Atarax Sea at 12.4 miles in depth. Like I said, I had a lot of earthquakes. Alright, right now, all of the last 4, like I said, are prelims. They've got them in green. That means they can change these at the drop of a hat, and I've seen them do it. Like they could drop them all the way down to a 2-pointer for all. It's happened. The links are there now. Click on them. Check them out, and that's all I have for right now. If anything else happens before midnight, it is 10 minutes to 11, I will get those to you, I promise. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are totally awesome. Have a great evening. 2 thumbs up for you, and if nothing else occurs between now and midnight, sweet dreams, and dream softly. Alright? Good night, everybody. I will be back at midnight if anything goes down.